Guys, I'm Sai from Majesty. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use whey protein or protein powder. So let's get into it, guys. Guys, now we are here. First of all, we are having a whey protein, and this is some little water or milk. You can take water or milk. So first of all, I'm going to be putting my water. Take a little bit of water or milk to your whey protein. You'll be seeing a scoop inside it. A scoop. You'll be seeing a scoop inside it. Just take a scoop of whey protein. That's it. Scoop of whey protein. Now this scoop, just put inside this water. Yeah, that's it. Show you my waters, the lid is so small. Yeah, that's it. Close this thing. You're gonna shake it a little bit. First of all, when you're gonna shake a little bit, you can see like these things. Can you see this? These are the remaining particles. So you need to shake it like for 30 seconds. Just shake it for 30 seconds. That's it. So now you're going to be closing this whey protein. So actually mine says milk chocolate. It's milk chocolate flavor. So that's why the reason it's like brown. So we're going to conceal it. That's it. First of all, you're going to be taking water or milk. You're going to be putting a scoop of whey protein in that. Shake it and just drink it. So cool, man. That's it. So that's it, guys, for today's video. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So I think this video might be helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe and like and share our video with your friends and your family. So that's it for today's, guys. We'll see you in another video. Until then, bye.